And I understand that we live in a very privileged setup, and sometimes you are so removed from the realities of the ground that these kind of initiatives bring you to it again. So I feel in terms of the experience, it's just very nice to understand the basic necessities that they can be struggling with, which you take for granted and your children take for granted. So for me, I think that is kind of a message, and my heart also goes out when you see that kids are not getting enough of the nutrition, the encouragement, the setup that they require. So it was moving for me. It was also something that is a reminder for me to also keep getting involved in spaces such as these.
Firstly, going to start off was with the whole setup over here. I think it's just phenomenal, right? Like the way it's being done. Like if I were to draw a parallel with what happens at home, we usually have like one cook cooking for 5 people. But when you think about what's happening over here, 20 people cooking for 16,000 people, just to sort of look at that scale, right, in terms of how it's built is insane. Even was just top notch in terms of quality. To start over there and say, this is the kind of food that's going out, like all the macros are there, there's carbs, proteins, fats that are being considered and given in one meal. And then to take that high quality, hygienic food and to look at the mission of it, which is to possible that no one goes hungry.
The scale that you do it at, it is humbling, it is gratifying, it tells us how privileged we are, but more than that, it shows us how much more I need to give back. What it took me back to looking at how you operate this kitchen, logistics, the supply chain, but more importantly, what I felt when we distributed the food to the kids and what I saw with the smiles on their faces. Growing up, and again, coming from that privileged background, one thing I remember is what I was told by my mother and my grandmother, that most important ingredient in food is love, and that's what I feel here. And the fact that you guys can take that to kids and that translates to those smiles, that was very gratifying for me. So really appreciate what you guys do, and thank you.
While we had a first-hand experience of visiting the school and seeing the impact there, the hospital initiative is really unique, and it's truly identifying and looking at something which is like underserved or perhaps completely ignored by people, with a thought to think about the patient's relatives, and also doing the survey that most of them are not locals, so their jobs would go, they don't have a place to live. I think that really struck a chord with me, thinking about the caregivers and not just about the primary patient.